This is Trey Ann with the FRVTA, and I am at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center for a sneak peek of the 2024 Jacksonville Fall RV Show. Preparations are in full swing today to transform this entire space into an RV lover's paradise, with the latest and greatest RVs from 4 of the top local dealers on display. And with multiple dealerships here, you can take advantage of show-only discounts and deals that you won't find anywhere else. We have new and used RVs, 2019 and newer, of all different types here at the show. From luxurious Class A and Class A diesel motorhomes, Class A toy haulers, family-friendly Class Cs, and 4x4 Super Cs, to camper vans of all sizes. There's the perfect motorized RV for you here. If towables are more your speed, we have a wide selection of fifth wheel toy haulers, travel trailers of all sizes, from super shiny to super light. Or check out a truck camper for the ultimate in versatility. But it's not just about RVs at this show. There will also be plenty of vendor booths offering everything from RV accessories to camping gear, services, resorts, and more. So whether you're here to buy, browse, or just explore what's new in the RV world, the 2024 Jacksonville Fall RV Show is the perfect place to do it all. Be sure to join us tomorrow when the doors officially open. There's nothing like seeing these RVs up close and personal, getting a feel for different layouts, and talking to the experts. It's a one-stop shop for everything RV, and we can't wait to see you here. The 2024 Jacksonville Fall RV Show is being held at the Jacksonville Equestrian Center October 3rd through 6th. The gates are open Thursday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 to 4. For more information, please visit our website, frvta.org, and click on the show link on the homepage. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of amazing Florida attractions, RV resorts, and state parks. Thanks for watching.